Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel. Today we are going to draw and color a rainbow poppet. Let's start drawing. First we draw a cloud like this. Then I draw another one here. And now let's draw a rainbow. I'm going to connect the clouds with lines like this, with bigger and bigger semicircles. Good! Finally, let's draw small circles in all the lanes. Amazing! Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. I'm going to use the rainbow colors. I start with red at the top. Then I use orange. Yellow. Green. Let's color the clouds with this light blue marker. Brilliant! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.